Hey guys, today we have Audi Q7. As you can see, we need to change high pressure pump in this car. I'm gonna show you step by step process how to change high pressure pump in this car. V6 TDI. Now we need to remove all intake. This one, this. We need to remove everything and turbos. Let's start. Remove one, two, one more here, three. We need to remove these three screws. Okay, remove this one. As you can see, one, two, and three. Remove all the pin. Now we need to go here, remove this part, remove this one also, like this, one and two, as you can see. Remove this pipe also, the intake. Next, air filter. One, remove this one also. Okay, I have already removed intake. This one, as you can see, 12 bolt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 6 this side. You have to remove this intake from here. Now we want to remove this one. It has 4 screws. One here already removed. Second, third here, and fourth here. Remove this plug. Now water hose. Okay, I have removed this one also. As you can see, one here and one here. Now you can see high pressure pump. Hey guys, I'm gonna show you some update on V6 Audi Q7. I have already removed turbo from here. As you can see, I have removed 6 bolts here, 3 from this side, 3 from that side, and remove this pipe, and 2 here, something like that. Then I have removed this one. As you can see, 1, this is 330 torques, 1, 2, 3, and 2 here. It was here, 1, 2, 3, and 2. Then I have also removed this one. As you can see, and here is the turbo. I'm going to show you. Not the best turbo, but next thing we're gonna remove this here. I have already removed some bolts here. 1, 2, 3. Remove this one, like this. Okay. As you can see, here is the timing belt. Now we need to block this timing belt. We're gonna try to block this timing light. Now we're gonna block the pump. I have something like this. You can use anything else. Okay, and you can see like this. I have blocked the pump like this. You can see where now we have to remove these 1, 2, and some bolts here.